Okay, now question is this, we have to find out the range of following functions. For this, what is the range? So here, this function actually, you can find out this one only when you know trigonometry. Sine of pi into this is n. This is a integer n. This is n. N means integer. This bracket x is n. Means this is n pi by 1 plus n square. Down whatever is there, n square, doesn't matter. So, but here pi, sine n pi is always 0. Here, any integer you put also sine n pi, sine 0 only. Sine n pi is nothing but sine 0. You know sine 0. Sine n pi is always, sine n pi is nothing but sine 0. Sine 0, you know, is 0. Therefore, its range is only 0. Set 0 is its range. Okay, this is what its range.
Sin n pi 0 ఎట్లా అవుతుంది?
సెకండ్ రోమన్ లో ఫోర్త్ క్వశ్చన్.
This one.
సెకండ్ రోమన్.
Okay, understand. Okay, first let us do this one.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. All right, so let's do this one. So log of 4 minus x square is asking us to find out the range for this. Okay, let us find out range for this first. Okay, for this range, na? So what is that? Log of this is 4 minus x square. So what is the range for this? So first of all, to find out the range, you need to find out range. To find out the range, you need to know what is the domain. For the domain, what you should do? Mod of this is 4 minus x square. This 4 minus x square, this has to be greater than 0. This has to be greater than 0. But because its mod is there, it's always greater than 0. This is greater than 0 for all x belongs to R. Therefore, what is the domain? You know, domain is all real numbers. Understand? Domain is all real numbers. First, you understand domain. Domain is all real numbers. That means what x value, whatever you want, you can take. So because your mod is there, mod is always positive. But except one number, who will say except, sorry, two numbers. What is that? Greater than or equal to 0. I'm sorry. This is greater than or equal to 0. Where it is 0, we have to remove. What is that? This is greater than 0 for all real numbers except plus or minus 2. I'm sorry. This is plus or minus 2. Okay, domain is all real numbers but not plus 2. Plus 2 if you keep log 0, not defined. Minus 2 if you keep log 0, not defined. Therefore, domain is all real numbers but not plus or minus 2. So then what is range? What is range? So when this thing is log x, when log x is given, what is its range? So x is greater than 0. Range is what? I already discussed this one. So that means if you take x value 1, it is 0. If you take x value, it is 0. Okay. Then if you take x value less than 1, this is going to be negative. Already we discussed elaborate discussion on this. And this is, if you take x value more than 1, it's going to be positive. So therefore, what you get? Minus infinity to plus infinity. So therefore, what is the range? Range is all real numbers. Because it is a positive number or 0. If you take, this is a positive you get. So you get all the real numbers you get. Positive real numbers, negative real numbers, all real numbers you get. So how do you write this range? Since 4 minus x square is greater than 0 for all x belongs to R minus plus or minus 2. This is positive. Therefore, log of 4 minus x square belongs to R. Therefore, this is range is simple. This is positive. Then what's going to get? What you are going to get? You are going to plus minus everything you are going to get. All the real numbers you are going to get like this. So range is all real numbers. Good question. Okay, next. Any other doubts? Okay, here is a question. That is, you have to find out the domain of f of x equal to 1 by, this is cube root of x minus 2 into log of 4 minus x base 10. Okay, so very good. So here, number one condition here, no, this is defined only when this is, first of all, here cube root is there, not square root. Understand, this is cube root. This is cube root. When cube root is there, there's no problem actually. But Square root is there, it cannot be negative. Cube root means no problem. Cube root of 8, no problem. Cube root of 8 is no problem. That is what, 2. Cube root of minus 8 also no problem. That is minus 2, no problem. So, but when square root of minus 4 is there is a problem. So here cube root, no problem. But only thing is, here it can be negative, it can be positive, but only thing is here x minus 2 is there in the denominator, therefore this cannot be 0 first. And so here log 10 by log 4 minus x. So here number 1, logarithm is defined only when x, this is positive, that is greater than 0, and also 4 minus x not equal to 1. Already I discussed. Log x base a is defined when a is greater than 0 and a not equal to 1. So here a, this is a should be greater than 0 and a not equal to 1. So this we discussed. So now x is not equal to 2, one condition, and if you take that side x is less than 4, another condition, and x is not equal to 3. If you bring this side, x is not equal to 3, another condition. So x is less than 4. X is less than 4 means what? Minus infinity to 4. X is less than 4 means all, minus infinity to 4. So here you have to remove what? What you have to remove? 2. 2 is there in this, you should remove. 3 is there, you should remove. So all real numbers from minus infinity to 4 except 2 and 3. This is what is your answer. Okay, that's what is. So this is a question now. Prove that the real valued function f of x equal to this thing is an even function. So you take f of minus x. In the place of x, you have to put minus x. So here minus x by e power minus x minus 1 plus minus x by 2 plus 1. This is what is the question now. So this one you have to do. So if you do, then what you get here? Minus x divided by, this is 1 by e power x minus 1. This is minus x by 2 plus 1. So this one what you get here? If you write now, if you take LCM, what is that e power x? That comes up. E power x comes up, minus x e power x. E power x, okay, LCM that comes up. Minus this is x by 2, this is plus 1. Like that. But you have to simplify. Now only you cannot decide, because if you take this side, no, you are going to get. If you take this side, you are going to get x e power x also. So therefore, you have to take LCM. Take LCM. This one you keep as it is. Now one you doesn't need to do anything. 1. So you keep as it is 1. 1 you can keep aside. Okay. Then if I take LCM for these two, if I take LCM, what I get? 2 into 1 minus e power x. That is the LCM. Then this 2 goes this side, minus 2x e power x. Then this goes this side, minus x plus, this is minus x plus x e power x plus 1 is as it is. So here x e power x and this is 2x e power x. So what you get is minus x e power x. Understand, 2 times 2, this is 2x, this is 1x. So minus x, this is minus x by, here 2 times 1 minus e power x plus 1. So what you can write this one? Again, as usual, you should write what you can write this one. So this is there now. If I take negative common, what I take, if I take negative common, that is minus x common. If I take minus x common, what do I get here? Okay, so better is, yeah. Okay. So, okay, minus x, if I take common, what I get here? Here I get e power x. This what do I get? E power x. Okay, some small logic is there. What is that logic? F of x is given as x by e power x minus 1 plus x by 2 plus 1 is there. F of minus x I need to find out. So that becomes what? Minus x by e power minus x minus 1 minus x by 2 plus 1. So here, if I see minus x by 2 plus x by 2, if I add and subtract, then what will happen? Minus x by, this is e power minus x is 1 by e power x minus 1. Here minus x, see, minus x by 2 minus x by 2 minus x plus x by 2 plus 1. So if I take LCM of this, what I am going to get is here I am going to get see minus x is there. I will do here minus x e power x by 1 minus e power x minus x plus x by 2 plus 1. So like this. So then what automatically what do I get here? Minus x e power x. If I take LCM, that is 1 minus e power x. So here I am going to get minus x plus x e power x. Understand this? I am bringing this side minus x plus x e power x plus x by 2 plus 1. So ఇది క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోయింది అనుకో, ఈ మైనస్ కిందికి దింపితే x by this is x minus 1 plus x by 2 plus 1. So that is f of minus x I got as f of x only. So this is therefore even function. So one small logic is there that you have to understand. Okay, thank you all, because already 640 people must be చాలా మంది already